Hello everyone, this is Eric Towers with Towers Arms. This week we're talking about FTT 114, building a custom Kydex press. This is assignment 1 of week 2. Alright, as you can see, I got everything cut. This is 8 by 12 and 3/8. This one is 12 by 12 and 3/8. Yep. And then I got my 2x4s cut for the top to create the hinge point. Nice and level. Then I'm going to drill some holes, put these on there. I'm going to start by mounting my 2x4s, so I'll get the foam out of the way. I've already spray glued down the foam, so now I just need to mount these, pre-drill some holes, mount them down, pre-drill some holes, mount it down. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses. Should leave a little bit of room. Line up our hinges where we want them. Go ahead and mark these. Make sure we're square. Make sure we're square. All right, well, it looks like definitely don't glue it down before you put the bolts in. Found that out the hard way. Now we're going to take this bad boy, put it back in here. See if we can get her. All right, let's get these hinges on here. There we go. Put the nuts on. Let's see. Gotta go get an adjustable wrench. All my wrenches are out in the garage. I don't feel like going to dig for them. All right, opens and closes just fine. Should be able to get the Kydex in there and clamp it down just fine with these. And if I got a really big holster, I got some bigger ones to help me get it down there. All right. Well, thank you everybody for watching. This was week 2 of FTT 114 Kydex holsters, and I made a Kydex holster press. Thank you for watching.